everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. More naam hol Jaitri aru aji holge checkout day from Malaysia. So aji finally go asuge back to our hometown, back to Assam, finally home sweet home. Aru etia ami go asuge breakfast karne aru breakfast hek kori pele direct we will be leaving. So let's go. Last breakfast. I can't believe that I had to have all the fried items for breakfast because that is not what I'm used to, but then what to do when you lack in options. So yeah, had to have whatever we got. So I'm having my last meal in Malaysia as of now. As of now here, it is my last breakfast, so yes. আমাৰ গোটেই প্ৰচিডিউৰ্ছবোৰ হ'ল ইমিগ্ৰেশ্যনৰ কাম হ'ল সব হৈ গ'লগৈ বেগছৰ স্কেনিং হৈ গ'লগৈ এভৰিথিং ইজ ডান বাট ইয়াত মই দেখিলোঁ আমাৰ বেগছৰ স্কেনিং হ'ল বাট বডি স্কেন নহ'ল আই ডোণ্ট ন' যদি পিছত কৰিব লাগিব সেইটো যদি মানে এনেকুৱা যদি হয় যে ফ্লাইটত উঠাৰ আগতে বোলে বডি স্কেন হয় আই ডোণ্ট ন' বাট দেন জেনেৰেলি security checker time jenako hoy no India you need to give your bags and then you need to go for the body scan. So the body scan did not happen till now. So yeah, anyways we are now going towards our gate. Okay, that was just the customs check. Main it is security check to screening or come to etia hobo jot amar body scan hobo aru ebu sob hobo. So let me complete all of that. So baggage screening, body scan, everything is done. I got confused actually at a customs check hoy after the immigration check and tar pisor ako jitu in general jitu amar tatu hoy baggage screening and the body scan. So hetu hebu sob hol and now we are just waiting. Amar kaam sob to hoye golge and amar jitu gate number hoy we are waiting over there. So first amar flight to hoige till Bangkok and then from Bangkok we have a connecting flight till Assam. So that's how it is. Mazote amar Bangkok we have a layover for a few hours. So yeah, we've now boarded the flight and the flight shall take off in some time. So yes, see you at Bangkok. We have now landed at Bangkok and our next flight is pretty late. Bahut deri ke ase our next flight to. So let's see one time ki koru. I will keep updating you guys.
Thank you.
So as I have a lot of time with me right now, I'm just charging my phone and I've actually not been keeping up that well with my health since yesterday because I caught cold yesterday and I'm also having a very bad throat right now. So I'm not being able to talk much and it's just a return journey, so I don't even have much to show. So yeah, right now I'm just charging my phone and I'm observing the view outside the window. I'll show you guys. It's just the view of the runway, that's it. I'll show you guys. As we have a lot of time with us right now, so we have come to McD for some McD meal, for some burger and coffee as I'm having a bad throat, so I've ordered something hot for myself and for my parents. So let me just show you guys. just finished with our meal at McD, and we barely had any chicken option. I mean, we just had Mac chicken and Mac spicy chicken, something like that. Rest, all the other burgers were of pork and beef and all. I don't eat beef. As of pork, I was not interested. So I just had a Mac chicken burger along with fries. And as I have a bad throat, I have already mentioned, so I ordered a cup of coffee for myself, cappuccino. And let me tell you guys, it's 2:50 p.m. over here right now, and we have a flight at 9 o'clock. Actually, after 9 o'clock, after 9 p.m. We have our flight after 9 p.m. Till then, we are only supposed to loiter around the airport. So yeah. And by the way, we are at the, now correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know how to pronounce, Don Mueang, DMK airport. That's where we are right now. Anyways, let's see what else can I do. I could not completely charge my phone. I'm halfway through. I need to complete doing all of that. So yeah. It's 7:20 p.m. right now, 7:20 in the evening, and we landed at Bangkok from Malaysia at around 1:40. So it has been more than 5 hours at Bangkok inside the airport, and I have to say something. I have to say this thing, that the Wi-Fi has been a savior. Wi-Fi has definitely been a savior. We still have another few more hours to spend in the airport, and the only savior we have as of now is the Wi-Fi, the free Wi-Fi that we are getting access to inside the airport, which is functioning pretty smooth as of now. I mean, what else am I supposed to do otherwise? I don't have my laptop with me. I can't do my work. What else am I supposed to do? The only option that I have is to, you know, watch something in the OTT platform or scroll down my social media profiles. That's all I have. What else am I supposed to do? So yeah, I definitely have to say this. Thank God the Wi-Fi has been functioning well over here. We are still not done. We still have another few hours to spend in the airport. It's 8:07 p.m. right now in Bangkok, and now I'm going for my dinner. I've just come out for some time to vlog because it's too noisy and crowded inside. I mean, it's a small space, so it's very noisy inside. So I thought, let me just come out for some time and share with you guys. So there's this Asian corner karke some restaurant. So over there we have ordered some Thai dinner for ourselves, which mainly comprises of fried rice and prawns and something with egg and all of that. So let's see how does it taste. And apart from that, we have also ordered a Thai traditional tea. Yeah, some Thai traditional hot tea. So yeah, it's dinner time, and after having our dinner, we will be proceeding to our gate, because after that soon, after an hour or two, our boarding is going to start. And I have to say this again. I will definitely say this again. The Wi-Fi has been a savior. I've just finished with my dinner, and the food was really awesome, I have to say. I mean, it is my kind of food and I really enjoyed it. And now we are proceeding further towards our gate, because in another 1 hour or so, maybe another 1 hour or so, our boarding is going to start, and I want to go back to my country. I really want to go back to my country now, because I need some rest. I want to spend some time at home, And yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm really running short of words, but all I'd say is that I want to go back to my country now. I want to go to my hometown. So announcement ahile, we are now standing in the queue because soon we are going to board the flight. Finally, home sweet home. Finally, I have boarded the flight. এতিয়া আৰু ঘৰ যাওঁ মন কৰি আছে আৰু কেতিয়া ঘৰ গৈ পাওঁ. So it was a long wait, seriously. মই আজিলৈকে I haven't, till today I have never waited for so long. I have never had such a long duration of layover till now. This is the first time. And Wi-Fi was a savior. Anyways, গৈ থাকোঁ এতিয়া. Finally, I'm back to my country, back to my state, back to my hometown. Very soon I'm going to be back to my room as well. And it's 11:15 as of now over here. I'm in Guwahati and I'm too tired right now, too tired. All I want to say is that I had a very good time in Singapore and Malaysia. These are two beautiful places that I have visited. People are so beautiful out there. They are so good. I'm very fond of the crowd that I got over there. And I've tried my best to show you guys as much as I could. But in vlogs it's not possible to show everything, like what I do in an entire day. It is not really possible to show everything at a single stretch or just in a vlog, but I still tried my best to show as much as I could, and I hope you guys liked the travel series that I've shown, the international travel series. And please let me know your reviews in the comment section. Let me know what you have to say about this international travel series that I've kind of tried to show you guys. Let me know about it in the comment section. Please be honest with your feedback. You are free to put forward your criticisms as well, but just be decent and respectful while criticizing. That's all I will say. And that's about it for today. Aji karne imanded hoisu. I'm not feeling well. I'm having bad throat and I'm having cold, as I've mentioned. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Diary of an Assamese Girl. Till then, good night, and I shall see you guys soon in my next vlog.